In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management. Let's dive right in. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to the Asana homepage. If you don't have an account yet, that's alright. You can create one by following their easy sign up process. Simply enter your email address and continue through the sign up steps. However, if you're already a part of the Asana family, just log in with your existing credentials. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage. Now that you're in Asana, let's create a new project. Look for the new project button and give it a click. Here, you have a couple of options. Either use one of the provided templates to get a jump start or create a new project from scratch. For today, let's go ahead and create a blank project. You'll want to give your project a name that clearly represents what it's all about. Once named, click Continue. Next up, you'll choose your project's view. Asana offers several options, including list view for a task-by-task breakdown, or board view for a more visual Kanban-style approach. Pick the one that you feel suits your project's management best. Once you've made your selection, click on Create Project, and just like that, your project environment is ready. With your project set up, it's time to start adding tasks. Click to add a task, and consider the details that should accompany it. You might want to assign the task to a team member and make use of Asana's assignee feature. Simply select an assignee from your team. To maintain a clear timeline, don't forget to add due dates to keep everything on track. You can even break complex tasks into subtasks for easier management. Explore the My Task section to see all the tasks assigned to you across different projects. This section is particularly helpful for personal task management. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the Asana interface and its many features, which are designed to streamline your project management experience. As you continue using Asana, you can customize your projects further to fit your team's specific needs. Click on Customize to access options like adding forms, creating rules, and even implementing custom fields. These tools make Asana a flexible platform adaptable to a wide range of project management styles. There you have it, a beginner-friendly walkthrough of managing projects with Asana. I hope you found this guide helpful. Asana is a powerful tool, and with practice, it can greatly enhance your team's productivity. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again in the next video.